Hello everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie. Today we're going to unbox two different kits. They were both ordered on Amazon from a place called Showvigor. They were ordered on February 12th, they shipped on February 13th, and I've had these poor things since February 15th. Figured it's time to let them out of the box. So let's do it. Let's open this one first. They're not in the Amazon packaging, as you can tell, but they were very well packaged. They came inside of an Amazon box with the Amazon brown paper. Everything was good. Okay, so immediately I see some bending here, a little bit of warping there. No judgment, just noticing stuff. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, see what we've got. Okay, so it does have the clear cover, and this one is 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches. Guessing that's the whole... I don't know. Guess I should know how wide my hands are, right? Before trying to look like I know what I'm doing. Yep. Note to self, put tape measure over here. Where I can find it when doing an unboxing. Because, nope, it's not in there either. Alright. Anyway. I call this one Panda Love Small. It is 10 colors. When I ordered this, they were having one of those flash deals. I think it's called flash deal. I paid $6.25 for this. $10 colors. We're going to take a look at the drills in just a minute. I'm looking at the drill package right here. It is full, obviously. It's rounds. Oh, crap. Okay. They're round drills. They do have DMC numbers on the drills. Toolkit, green boat, chunk of wax, pink pen. Normal toolkit. It comes with an extra piece of paper, plastic. Operating instructions telling you how to do diamond painting. Ready for the tool, so get your toolkit ready. Use the pen, take some glue at the top, and it shows I'm punching a hole through. Carry one colored diamond into the plate, so pour some drills in. Use the pen, stick the diamond. Open the protect film, so lift it up, stick the diamond on the canvas. Stick the color based on the color list on the canvas. Step 7, the canvas have glue, can stick the diamond stable. Step 8, after finished the picture, please press the picture under the book to keep the diamond drilled more stable. There you go. There's their instructions. Alright, let's take a look at these drills. Alright, so 10 colors. They are rounds. And there's color 1, which is 310. Color 2, which is 415. 3 is 644. 4 is 704. I guess I should bring it down here where you can see it. 5 is 762. 6 is 822. Sorry, just making sure they're not oily. 7 is 904. It's like a dark forest green. 8 is 3782. 9 is 3799. And number 10 is 5200. So all of the colors are here. Get that put away. taking a look at the drill field. The drill field looks great. I'm going to show you. It's not going to focus right. I'm going to complain and say stupid phone. Maybe if I get it closer. Oh, I think it might be focusing a little bit. I can't tell. Hopefully. Okay. So the drill field looks really good. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing scoring on this one. Excuse me. Accuracy of description. Easy to understand. Clear and correct. Yes, I knew what I was getting. So they'll get the point for that. Processing time from order to ship was a day. From order to delivery was 3 days. So, yep, they get the point for that. Outside packaging, you're just going to have to believe me when I tell you it was packaged well. It was in an Amazon box. Bubble stuff and craft paper galore. It was protected, so they'll get the point for that. Inside packaging, it was in this box. And in this, it wasn't wrapped around a foam core, but besides the little wrinkling right here on the very edge of the canvas, there's no issues with the canvas, so that's fine. They can get the point for that. Toolkit, I mean, the whole complete kit is here. I'm not missing anything, so they'll get the point for that. Canvas condition, no hard creases in canvas. That looks like a hard crease, but it's not. I might be able to get it to lay more flat, just a second. It's just where it was folded. See, it's not hard, it pushes right down. It's just where it was folded. Not a big deal. So they can have the point for that. The glue condition, there is a little extra glue down here. So I'll put some washi tape over that. Or I won't, and there'll be all nasty, dirty stuff down there. Whichever. I end up cutting it off to frame it anyway, so I'll most likely put washi tape over it. But other than that, this glue is really sticky. And I don't have any rivers or anything. Okay, so the glue goes to right there. On that side. And I can see it sticking up just a little bit over the top too. So I'll put washi tape all the way around it. But the glue condition, there's no bubbles. I don't have to do surgery on this, so they can have the point for that. The symbols, clear and easy to understand. I can definitely see all of the symbols. So they can have the point for that. Overall, am I impressed? Look at the pandas. Yeah, I'm impressed. I think this is going to turn out awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so unboxing scoring for Panda Love Small. Amazon Showvigor. 10 out of 10 on that one. This one is also from the same company. Was ordered on the same day, shipped on they were shipped together, so they were obviously delivered together. And this one was $7.25, and it's 14 inches by 14 inches. Also a full round. Also stuck in here. Okay, there we go. Let's open this up. Wait, what? Yeah, it's the same picture. Like I said, this one's a 14 by 14. The other one's 11.8 by 11.8. That's interesting. So if you order the bigger one, you get a white boat with a cutout, a pink pen, and a chunk of wax. So there's the two comparisons for those. The white tray is a little bit bigger. Like that much bigger. Yeah. This one has 18 colors. It's not all dented on the end. The glue looks phenomenal. Yes, the glue is great. Oh, look at that. I'm putting my own wrinkles in the clear cover. Because that's how I roll. Yep. I made it worse than it was. Anyway, there's that one. And this one has 18 colors. Full round. Let's go ahead and take a look at the drills. These ones also have DMC colors with them. It has the DMC colors listed on the canvas actually also. As soon as I can find the end of these things. Okay, here we go. Number 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. You can tell they're not oily, they're sliding all over. 8. 9. 10. 11. Yep, 9:39. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17, and 18. So all of the drills are here for this one as well. We're not missing anything. I'm going to take a quick look at these here. So these are the 310. Nope, I don't see any knobbly bits. I don't see a bunch of trash. They sparkle. I don't have any oily beads. Beads look great. I have a rogue bead in here. Start to the glue right there. Just gonna toss him in there. Get in there. Go. Get in there. And we'll put these back. There we go. Canvas looks great. And there's the picture. So let's do the unboxing scoring on this one. Accuracy of description, easy to understand, clear and correct. Yes. I think it showed me the canvas on this one. Not 100% sure. If I'd have filmed this back in February when I ordered it, I'd probably remember, but I didn't. Processing time from order to ship, order to delivery, 3 days, point for that. Outside packaging was the same, point for that. Inside packaging was this here box. And then it was all in this here bag. So yeah, it was protected. They can have the point for that. Everything I need is here to start. I could start this today, so they'll get the point for that. The canvas condition is great. It's a relatively sturdy canvas. It's thicker. They can have the point for that. The glue condition, there's no runs in the glue. Again, it's sticking out just a little bit over. Not as bad on this one as it was on this one. But yeah, the glue looks great, so they'll get the point for that. Drill condition, you know, is there trash or nubs or overall look, the size, the packaging. Very consistent with their packaging. Now, they're not consistent from this kit to this kit, but we're only judging this kit, and they're all very consistent. They have the DMC codes. They all look good. They're not oily. They're sparkly. Yeah, so they can have the point for the drills. The symbols. The symbols in this one are not as clear as the other one. Like, I'm not sure if you can even see this, but up there in the ear. How do I make you focus? some of that thing. Okay. Anyway, there's like 3 different colors through here. So they're not exactly easy to see at all. There's 1s and Bs, 9s, 8s, 7s, all in that space right there. I'm going to go ahead and take off a 1/2 point for symbol clarity, just because they are kind of hard to see. Okay, so 1/2 point for symbol clarity, easy to read. With my light pad, I'm sure it'll bring it out enough that I'll be able to see them, but overall, am I impressed? Oh yeah, look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous, right there. That is gorgeous. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Here's the difference between what they call a 14 by 14 and an 11.8 by 11.8. This one looks more like something I would hang in a child's room. This one looks more like a picture. Like this one, to me, it just looks more cartoony. This one where they were able to bring out more of the details. Like, look, this is one color and that's one color. This is a multitude of colors through here. So this looks more cartoony, but still very cute. This one looks more realistic, so to speak. More detailed. So there you go. That's what you're looking at. There's the difference. This one was $7.25. This one was $6.25. They're both rounds. They're both fulls. This one has 18 colors. This one has 10. I'll put the links to both of these down below so that you can go check them out if you want to. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead, leave them in that comment section down below. I thank you all for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.